I've been exploring the SoFi Essential Credit Card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what it offers. The SoFi Essential Credit Card is designed as a straightforward, no surprise fee option with no annual fee, no overlimit or returned payment fees, and no foreign transaction fees, which already puts it ahead of many starter and mid-tier cards in 2026. You also get enhanced fraud protection with zero liability on unauthorized charges, plus standard MasterCard perks like airport concierge and access to experiences, which is solid for a no-fee product. On the rewards side, the key highlight is 3% cashback in rewards points when you book through SoFi Travel, and you can redeem points at a simple 1 cent per point toward eligible SoFi accounts or travel, which makes the value easy to understand. There is also no penalty APR or pricing if you pay late, and SoFi's app tools to track your credit score and set spending targets are useful if you are actively trying to build or rebuild credit in today's higher rate environment. With that said, it's not perfect. The card is invitation only right now, so if you do not already have a targeted offer, you simply cannot apply, which makes it a bit frustrating in 2026 when many competitors are fully open to applications. SoFi also limits you to one SoFi credit card per member, so if you already hold another SoFi card, you cannot add this one just to chase specific benefits. The headline 3% rate only applies to travel booked through SoFi's Expedia-powered portal, meaning everyday spending may earn a more basic rate that is less compelling than some flat 2% cashback cards on the market. There is currently no referral program for this card, and all the best value assumes you are already plugged into the SoFi ecosystem, which might not appeal if you prefer to keep banking, investing, and credit cards with different providers. Overall, if you want a simple, low-fee card with some travel upside and strong fraud and app-based tools, the SoFi Essential Credit Card is a respectable choice, especially if you are already a SoFi user and receive an invite. In short, it feels like a clean, consumer-friendly option for 2026. But the invite-only access, ecosystem dependence, and travel portal-focused rewards mean it will not be the best fit for everyone. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.